And Jar of Deo Volante moving up, Royal Storm running by with Caraga Weather, then followed by entry number 3, Pugad Lawin moving up, Arriba Morna on the outside, and Quaker Sila going along for the first turn is Deo Volante, leads the pack by half a length, followed by Royal Storm in second. Here comes Pugad Lawin around the outside, Arriba Amora, Caraga Weather is watching in fifth, following back Quaker Sila. Down the half mile they travel, Royal Storm, Deo Volante, Royal Storm, Arriba Amor moving up now the outside and running in for Pugad Lawin and Caraga Weather. Inside the last 600, Deo Volante and Royal Storm now the outside, Arriba Amor, Caraga Weather now running in for them. Pugad Lawin long way back, Quaker Sila towards the final turn. Deo Volante still leads the pack by a neck. And Royal Storm making his final burst of energy on the outside. Deo Volante, Royal Storm on the outside. Deo Volante, Royal Storm on the outside. Deo Volante, Royal Storm are still. Deo Volante winning this race by a neck over Royal Storm, Arriba Amor, Caraga Weather, Pugad Lawin, and Quaker Seal.
Ibang strategy, no?